Understanding sexual arousal in women involves a blend of physiological, psychological, and emotional factors. While most aspects of sexual arousal are natural and healthy, certain darker psychological elements can come into play, particularly when issues of manipulation, consent, and power dynamics are involved. Here's a detailed look. Physiological aspects of sexual arousal in women. 1. Hormonal changes. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone play a significant role in regulating sexual desire and arousal. Levels of these hormones fluctuate throughout the menstrual cycle, affecting arousal and libido. 2. Physical responses. Sexual arousal typically leads to increased blood flow to the genital area, lubrication, and sensitivity. These physiological responses prepare the body for sexual activity. Psychological aspects of sexual arousal. 1. Emotional connection. Many women report that emotional intimacy and connection are crucial for sexual arousal. Feeling valued, respected, and understood can enhance arousal. 2. Mental stimulation. Fantasies, erotic literature, and visual stimuli can also play a role in sexual arousal. The brain is a powerful organ in sexual response, often more influential than physical stimuli alone. Dark psychological elements. 1. Manipulation and coercion. In some situations, individuals might use psychological manipulation to induce arousal or compliance. This can involve guilt-tripping, emotional blackmail, or other forms of coercion that undermine genuine consent. 2. Gaslighting. In sexual context, gaslighting can occur in sexual relationships where one partner manipulates the other's perception of reality, potentially convincing them that their feelings and boundaries are unreasonable or invalid. 3. Power dynamics. Imbalanced power dynamics can impact sexual relationships. When one partner holds significantly more power, e.g., financial, social, or emotional, it can lead to exploitation or pressure to engage in sexual activities. 4. Sexual trauma and PTSD. Past experiences of sexual trauma can profoundly affect arousal and sexual response. Triggers can cause distress, anxiety, or dissociation, complicating current sexual experiences. 5. Objectification. Societal objectification of women can lead to internalized beliefs about their sexual roles and value. This can affect how women perceive their own sexual desires and boundaries, sometimes prioritizing their partner's pleasure over their own. 6. Obsessive behavior. Obsessive thoughts about a sexual partner can lead to unhealthy attachment styles and behaviors. This can result in stalking, excessive jealousy, or intrusive thoughts, creating a toxic dynamic. Social and cultural influences. 1. Cultural norms and expectations. Societal and cultural norms often dictate how women should experience and express their sexuality. These norms can create pressure to conform to certain behaviors or suppress natural desires. 2. Shame and stigma. Women may experience shame or stigma surrounding their sexual desires and behaviors, leading to guilt, secrecy, or denial of their sexual needs. 3. Sexual double standards. Societal double standards regarding male and female sexuality can impact how women view their own arousal and sexual experiences. Women may feel judged or scrutinized more harshly for their sexual behavior compared to men. Addressing the dark elements. 1. Therapy and support. Professional therapy, including sex therapy and trauma-informed counseling, can help individuals address and heal from the darker psychological elements affecting their sexual health. 2. Communication and consent. Open communication about desires, boundaries, and consent is crucial in any sexual relationship. Ensuring both partners feel safe and respected can mitigate many of the darker aspects of sexual dynamics. 3. Education and awareness. Educating oneself about healthy sexual practices, power dynamics, and psychological manipulation can empower individuals to recognize and address unhealthy behaviors. Understanding these aspects helps in recognizing the complexity of sexual arousal and the importance of consent, respect, and emotional safety in sexual relationships.